guys, welcome back to another vlog. They should change from the Newman sister channel to Jalisa and Jalisa channel because it's always us.
No God, Pastor, say I'm a father. Why are you coming to them and your name go the God? When that fuck, you are coming from when we fuck your mother. When that fuck, tell God, say
You have more lashes? Yeah? Your lashes are done? No, popping on the blue.
when that fuck, stand out. You can't hide about the real coming when you find the little in the small house. From your bad my people can't stress me out. Who other them a try that can't get me out. Bible in a me pocket and me no step without. Babylon lock me up and I feel let me out. Your friend them from a friend me get sell out. While me head shell out, man don't stress me out. Tell them that now, can't touch a bless me out. So I started to keep she like a Draco.
You done talking to Patrick? Allow me to Patrick. Allow me.
Big up my friend Princess. Big up your blood clot. Big up myself, friend Princess.
Make sure you jump tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, right now.
So in Korea. So the party is finished.
Done.
Party's done. It was a good chill little event.
I'm cold.
It's very cold because we're on the rooftop.
And my jeans are itching as fuck.
And Julisa's jeans are itching her. Who'd you call Express? That's it for the vlog. I'm ending it here. So like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them what to do.
Peace out.
You hear that? Peace out, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next vlog.